What if you could lose $4 million and still bounce back stronger than ever? Dave Ramsey became a millionaire twice, but the first time, he lost everything. At 26, he had $4 million, then zero. He could not even fix the heater for his 2 kids. That winter, he learned the hardest lesson. Money is not numbers, it is behavior. Total Money Makeover. Baby Step 1, a starter emergency fund. $1,000, cash, no plastic, no apps, just paper. Think of it as an umbrella. You still need raincoat, boots, but it stops the first drop. Baby Step 2, debt snowball, list, smallest to largest. Cut the cards, no credit, no lease, no 35-year joke. Baby Step 3, complete emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Baby Step 4, invest 15%, every month, no exception. Baby Step 5, kids' education, skip, replace your call. Baby Step 6, house, cash, no chains, no 35-year. Baby Step 7, have fun, invest, donate, laugh last.